What's the meaning of back to front? Back to front. Back to front.
Back to front. Back to front. Back to front is an idiom that means in reverse order or reversed. It is often used to describe something that has been done incorrectly, or has been done in the opposite way to how it should have been done. For example, if someone wears their shirt back to front, it means that the back of the shirt is at the front and vice versa. The phrase can also be used to describe a situation where the normal order of things has been reversed, such as a planned event being organized from the end to the beginning. Overall, back to front suggests a state of confusion or disorder.